We're going to be installing a door sweep on this door right here. Tools that we're going to need is a tape measure, a tin snips, and then something to mark it. First thing I'm going to do is measure the door. "35 inches. Stretch out the sweep. And mark where I want to cut. You cannot cut this very easily with a scissors, but a tin snips or aviation snips works really, really well. Once we've cut it, I'm going to just put it up to the door, make sure that my cut was right. Looks good. Starting on one side, I'm going to just peel off a little bit. Push it right up on the door so it's touching the ground at the same time. Peel back the tape as I push it right onto the door. We want it touching the floor, but we do not want it hard on the floor. All right, goes right on there. And then the last thing we're going to do is just make sure that the door opens and closes just fine and is making that contact on the floor there.